what's up guys, it's your boy Poppy G Funk, and today I'm going to be unboxing, boom, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Yes, so I've been looking forward to this smartphone for a while, and it's finally here. So if you guys are ready, make sure to smack the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's open this bad boy up. Alright, so we do have the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G, so I'm super excited to unbox this for you guys, and also stay tuned for more videos coming up soon, some gaming videos, some camera tests, some comparisons, things like that, and also my full review coming up soon as well. So this device is not cheap, it actually retails for $2,000. Oh my god, that's a lot of money for a smartphone. So no further ado, let's open this bad boy up. Now as you can see right here on the front of the box, super nice packaging. Oh my god, I absolutely love that packaging. It looks amazing. I would actually love to display this in my room. So of course in the middle we got that Z for Z Fold 2. So this is actually the second generation for the Z Fold. I never got the first one, so this is actually gonna be new to me. So there you go, that is the box right there. On the side of the box, of course, it does say Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. There you go. And then taking a quick look at the back of the box, of course, it does say unlocked by Samsung. Here we go. Oh my god, look at that presentation right there. Oh my god, that's what I'm talking about. Samsung, you're doing a great job when it comes to the packaging. But the packaging on the Galaxy Buzz Live were just off. I didn't like that packaging at all. But this packaging looks awesome. Look at that right there. Super nice. All right, so here we go. Oh my god, man. So it actually opens like a book, which is really cool. Look at that. Oh my god. So it does say change the shape. Oh, I don't want to drop the phone. So it does say change the shape of the future. There you go. Introducing the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G and some other things as well. Pretty cool. Of course, it does say Samsung right there. There you go. Awesome. And then we do have the phone itself. Oh my god, look at that phone. This thing is huge. Oh my god, this thing is massive. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god, this thing is freaking huge. Now the next thing inside the box is your paperwork, and we also have your SIM card key over here as well. Now the next thing inside the box is your Galaxy Z Premier service. So we got a bunch of different things inside here, which is freaking insane. So we also have your wall charger. There you go. This is your wall charger right there. Bam. Fast charging. And you also have your USB Type-C cable. And it looks like that's everything inside the box. But Samsung, where the hell are the earbuds? For $2,000, you do not get any earbuds at all. Oh my god, that is not good, man. I'm paying a lot of money for a smartphone and no earbuds. And back to the phone. So like I stated, this phone is just massive. It does have a 7.6-inch display. Oh my god. And then on the back, it kind of looks like the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Exactly. So let's peel this off. Here we go. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful phone. Just look at how it looks. How beautiful. Woo! So you can turn it sideways. Oh my god, this thing is awesome. So 7.6-inch display in the front. Oh my god. You can actually pretty much flip it inside in and then inside out as well. Awesome. Screen on the front. And then on the back, we got that triple camera. So it does have a 12 megapixel on the back, and then a 10 megapixel in the front. Now on the side of the device, you do have your volume up and volume down, and also your power switch as well. And at the bottom, we do have your speakers, and we also have your charging port. Now on the side of the device, it does say Samsung, and you can actually customize this part of the smartphone, which is actually really cool. So it does have this combination of a matte finish on the back and then this glossy finish on the side. So this thing is gonna stand out, especially if you take this outside. People are gonna be like, damn man, what kind of phone is that? And as soon as you show them this, they're gonna fall in love with the device, and they might poop their pants. I cannot wait to see videos on this bad boy, YouTube videos, and also play some video games on this bad boy. It's gonna look epic. So the phone is set up and ready to go. So here we do have a front screen which you can still access everything, your apps, things like that, which is cool. But the best part about this phone is this. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Bam! Look at that. Oh my god. This thing is awesome. So if you guys ever wanted like a mini tablet slash smartphone, this smartphone is it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video on the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Let me know, what do you guys think about this device? Do you guys think it's a gimmick thing? What do you guys pay $2,000 for this device? Let me know in the comment section down below, and stay tuned for more videos coming up soon. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.